Hello guys, today I will tell you how to get a free wiring diagram for automobile, cars, buses. Let's see how to see a free wiring diagram. This is Play Store, automobile wiring diagram. Click from this because I installed this before. This one automotive electric wiring diagram. Click from this one. I installed before, but I don't update him. First we update 7.04 MB. After update, we can use this wiring diagram, very benefit, free wiring diagram. %, update. This is free wiring diagram for all cars. Sometimes bus, Nissan bus, Mitsubishi bus, also wiring diagram. I use from a few months, very useful, helpful. Install is complete. If you have Android phone, you can download this app. Open. You see, this is Toyota, this is Ford, this is Hyundai, this is Chevrolet, Kia, every car available. Nissan. First we open the Nissan. You see how to. In Nissan 350Z Joke. This is the Nissan Petrol. Let's see this one. Common failure for the sub tank, fuel tank, fuel system. And see the wiring diagram. 2004, 2006 to 2004, 2006. Go to engine control, fuel system. This is fuel system. This is sub tank. This module is the spare tank, sub tank. If the sub tank system is not working, you can check this diagram. Very useful diagram. You can zoom in. Pin 1 is ignition switch. In this area is fuse. Pin 3 also is ignition switch, but no full switch. Very useful, very easy to use this software. This is the whole diagram for Nissan Petrol spare tank. This 13, 5 and 8. This is the sub tank light, 13 spare tank. This is sub tank gauge, and this is the whole diagram. Very easy to use for auto electrician. Very useful. Close and see. This is air condition system. This is the body system. This is engine control. Okay, this is all Nissan car. From here you can choose. This is Toyota Avalon. This is 2014. This is the air condition system, engine system, brake system, body. This is the body. This is data link connector. Open for this. This is the data link connector. 14 scan low and 6 scan high. Very useful diagram. I use this one for a few months. This is totally free diagram for every car. Thank you for watching.